What's up, Minitruck? We're gonna take a ride, go to a diner, have breakfast with a long lost cousin. One of your cousins from Japan. Put your choke on. There's a little primer button right there. Let's see how she starts up. I'd say that was a pretty quick start using that primer. So if you're going to put a supercharger on with a draw-through carburetor that has that much piping, you're definitely going to want to have a little primer. Works perfectly. Man, you're running good, Minitruck. I'm gonna have to get on cleaning you up and painting up the frame, I think. Give you a little love. And then I want to work on that slide-in camper for you. Probably come up maybe over the roof and back. My only issue is I have so much stuff on that rack. I'm gonna lose kind of a lot. So I was almost thinking if I left part of this open and use like some foam. I don't know. I'm gonna have to really think about that for my little slide-in camper. But since I got rid of the M-Team van, I think the only thing to do is put a camper on you. I can put my little rooftop pop-up on top of you, make a little platform to go over this and use the underneath. That would be the easiest way. But having a slide-in camper, I can leave everything in there, then make up some jacks to lift it up and drive away, and I can keep everything in the camper. And I do have an old tow-behind RV down below I can steal a bunch of parts off, so I think it'd be pretty cool. Take an old camper trailer and steal the parts off of it and make a little mini camper. Like we got here before your cousin did. Got a key tag going out for a winner. First comment. If you didn't win one yet, step up your game. First comment gets a free key tag. That's right. Thanks, Bruce.
A few moments later.
How you doing?
Hi there.
Like those little vans?
I like
little,
both of my
yeah.
stuff. They're so cute. I love this thing.
They're fun.
Are they yours?
That's mine.
Oh,
that one's his.
Great. Yeah.
The right-hand drive, though. You think you could do it?
Oh. I think I could do it, but I could also crash.
Right.
I left my uncle in the car.
Yeah. Oh, I see him in the back.
Yeah. Oh, they're so cool. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, they're fun to drive.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the XX M-Team van sister, huh? Everybody loves these little micros, huh? Key vehicles. Oh, I like your uncle. Pull him out of the sewers?
Yeah, yep.
We'll go back to the house and check that van out. So what's this guy's name?
I don't know, Jack.
Jack. Yeah, so this is actually identical to what I had. Yeah. How many miles you got? 113 maybe?
Maybe, I don't know.
Kilometers? That's still pretty good though. Oh yeah. This is nice. Very nice. Good tires on it still, huh? If it had the low range, it probably would have, you know, I would have kept it more,
Unstoppable.
would have been more likely to keep it, yeah. But had to go. Wife wanted a car to keep in Florida. Yeah, these are fun.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.